Considering the equation, and the formula for the diffusion potential for a monovalent electrolyte can be converted to the resulting equation underlies the second method for determining the transport numbers. According to this method, it is formed an electrochemical circuit which contains two identical electrodes and the boundary of two solutions of the same composition but different concentration. From measurements of the potential difference at the ends of such a chain can be calculated the transport numbers of the cation and anion.